Welcome to my SeedProd review for 2025. Is this the best landing page builder yet? What I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to go through SeedProd, show you how to use it, how it's set up on my WordPress blog. And if you want to check this out for yourself after watching the video, there's going to be up to a 60% off link directly below in the video description box. Feel free to use it, and you can check out all its features for yourself. And I'm sure it's going to save you a lot of time and energy and money as well. And you're going to like what SeedProd has to offer you for the value for the money. So let's dive into this video. I'm going to show you what I created using SeedProd, a couple landing pages I did, and just go over it briefly, and then you could take it from there. So we're going to go over to my site. I'm going to show you a couple of my landing pages. Then I'm going to go over to the actual plugin installed, show you how it looks in WordPress, and show you how easy it is to use. So we're going to go over to, first off, this is one of my landing pages I created. It's on jaysonlinereviews.com. Instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI, free PDF of the top tools and secrets. You can see I got a nice image here. Get instant access now. Got my social media links. And this is actually the homepage of my blog. And I got a video and all that good stuff. So that's one of them right here. And here's another one I created. This is get your free 7-day high converting email funnel generator. This is a new product I created. It's an awesome product. And this is it creates affiliate emails or emails in general in storytelling fashion is what it does. And this is the 7-day sequence for it. And I got a bunch of free stuff as well with this. But this is the second landing page that I created using SeedProd. You can see how it's pretty similar to the other one, just different, obviously, a different product. And that's that there. Now what we're going to do, you can see how nice they were, and they're very easy to put together. It's very user-friendly, so it's very easy to use. If you don't have any experience creating landing pages, this tool is perfect for you. If you have a lot of experience creating landing pages, this tool is going to be perfect for you as well because it's going to save you more time. So we're going to go back over to inside my blog where this is set up. And these are the published landing pages that I've done with SeedProd. As you can see, I've been using it since May of this year, so about 6 months or so. I've been playing around with this tool, and I like it a lot. It's cheaper than the other ones that are out there, and it's easier to use than the ones I've used. A lot of the other ones I've used that are, it's competitors in the marketplace. So I really enjoy using this tool, and we're going to go over to the plugin itself, and I'm going to show you real quick how it looks and some features. And let's see here. Here we go. SeedProd. You got landing pages, theme builder, AI themes, which is new, subscribers. It puts all your subscribers in here for you, which is nice. Settings, pop-ups, custom codes, growth tools, about us, request a feature, import, export. So what we're going to do is, I'm already on landing page. So you click on landing page. We're going to do add new landing page because I want to show you some of the features of SeedProd and what you can do. So these are some of the landing pages. You got a coming soon, maintenance mode, 404 page, sales, webinar, lead squeeze, thank you, login. And all you do is go through here, pick a landing page that fits with whatever you are giving away or trying to build leads around. And you got a ton of different landing pages to use. And depending on which plan you choose, or depending how many landing pages you're going to get, but most of them are going to come with all these, or even more if you get the real high-end one. So it just depends on what use you're going to have for this tool. And we're going to pick one real quick, and we'll try. This one looks good. All you do is put your page name. Say you're running an e-commerce store, you're selling jeans. Best jeans of 2025. There's your, comes up with your page URL. Save and start editing the page. And then we're going to wait. And there it is right there. Our new website is on the way. Sign up to be the first to know when we launch. You got a countdown timer. A lot of it's already done. I mean, it's pretty much done for you. You just got to make minor edits. And this is all you got to do. Obviously, hook your email list up to it. It shows you how to do that. And here you just go to the connect button. And you can set up active campaign, Aweber, campaign monitor. You see all these different email service providers. All you do is connect it, and you're done. Every lead is going to go into directly into your email list. We're going to go back to design. You got headline, text, list, button, image, video. You got all kinds of tools to make this personalized to you and perfect for what, to build, to get as many leads as possible using this tool. So we're going to put headline here. All you do is put it up here, wherever you want to do it. Put your headline. And it's just drag and drop. So easy. Put a headline here. We don't want to get rid of that SeedProd thing. We just delete it. And then all you do is put in your text. And you're literally good to go once you set up your email list. It's going to capture the leads. And then there's a page setting button. But you can see it's all drop. It's all copy and paste and drop whatever you need over here. Fill it in. And you're up and running in literally minutes. It's an excellent, excellent tool. I really enjoy using it for my business. And it's a great price as well. Like I said, compared to it's probably half the price of like a lot of the competitors on the market. And it's like I said, it's very easy to use. Comes up with great landing pages. You can see some of the ones I've done. Example right here. And yours can be even better than this one, obviously. And super easy to use. We're going to go back here. You got an advanced button, connect, and you got your page settings, where you just do a page title, page status, draft, publish. Analytics, it shows you, scripts, SEO, general. So easy to use this. And you want to click save up here. You got a preview button to see what it looks like, obviously, published before you publish it. But that's it. This is how easy it is to use. 2 thumbs up for it. I've been using it for 6 months. Love it. Great deal. A lot of features. Super easy to use. And I highly recommend it. So like I said, there's going to be a link directly below where you can get up to 60% off of SeedProd. So come check it out for yourself. Play with the features. See how easy it is to use. And save yourself some money. And have fun using it. But links below. If you like this video, hit the like button. And make sure you subscribe to my videos, to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.